Hello and welcome to This Old Kitchen with Gibbs Farm. My name is Sammy and today I'll be attempting to make an 1890s recipe for onion souffle. This onion souffle recipe is from Food on the Frontier by Marjorie Kreidberg. So this is a collection of Minnesota recipes gathered from various 19th and 20th century sources. So it says here that the onion souffle recipe is from Our Chef's Best Receipts, a practical cookbook for people who like good things to eat. And this was a cookbook from the Madgley Bachelor's Hotel in St. Paul, and it was published in 1899. The recipe calls for the following ingredients.
1 cup of white sauce. A bit of online research led me to believe this is a bechamel sauce. So I will make that first by combining butter and flour to make a roux, then adding milk, stirring until thickened, and seasoning with salt and pepper. The remaining ingredients are 1 cup of finely chopped cold cooked onions. I cooked the onions yesterday and have those here. Half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 eggs separated. Half a cup of breadcrumbs, 2/3 cup of milk. The recipe says to soak crumbs in the milk, add the white sauce, onions, pepper, and salt, then yolks of the eggs well beaten. A Milwaukee Journal Sentinel article states that soufflés have likely been around ever since flour, milk, eggs, and butter have been whipped up into different concoctions to please the palate. But it seems that the first recorded soufflé is attributed to early 1700s French cook Vincent de la Chapelle, who was rumored to cook for the mistress of Louis XV, Madame de Pompadour. Add whites of eggs last. It doesn't say to beat the egg whites, but I presume that since this is a soufflé, I am supposed to do that. The soufflé as we know it today was perfected by Marie-Antoine Carême in the mid-1800s. He was able to use a new type of oven that was heated by air drafts rather than coal, making it easier for the soufflé to rise. Then turned into a butter pudding dish. My research says a pudding dish is a crock-type bowl like this. Soufflé get their name from the French word for to puff. The word first appeared in English in Louis Udes, the French cook, and bake slowly for 45 minutes. I assume that baking slowly might mean at a lower temperature, so I'm putting this in the oven at 325 degrees. Soufflés were popular with fine dining from the early to mid-20th century, becoming especially popular with followers of the chefs Julia Child and James Beard. It eventually fell out of favor in many kitchens due to the fussy nature of maintaining its light and airy texture.
Okay, so the soufflé is cooked, it looks good, it smells good, it jiggles a little bit, which the internet says it's supposed to do, so that's good. So I'm going to serve up some for Janie, who's behind the camera, and I to try, and we'll let you know how it tastes. As I'm going into this, it seems a little underdone. So we'll try the most cooked parts. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna eat the not underdone part. Tastes pretty good. This tastes like if you put like biscuits over like a chicken pot pie situation. It tastes like when the biscuit gets kind of wet from those, which I don't know if that's what a soufflé is supposed to be like, but it tastes pretty good. Okay, Janie, what did you think? Great. Thank you for watching This Old Kitchen with Gibbs Farm. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss future episodes. Bye! Oh, is it on?
Yep.
Okay.